Okay guys, so ZTE has officially landed here in the Philippines. So previously na-review na natin ang ZTE Blade V40 design. And today we're going to take on the ZTE Blade V40S. Makita natin kung itong phone na ito has improved over the V40 na na-review natin previously after this quick intro. So hi guys, I'm Pastor Richmond, the Gadget Psychic, and welcome back to my channel. So ZTE Blade V40S. Let's start off with a quick unboxing. So, kita natin on the side, it says that it's ZTE Blade V40S. On the other side, makita natin lahat ng specs na kailangan natin malaman for this phone. Sa likod, it's plain and simple. And here, kita natin yung design niya. So, there's two colors na pwede pong pilihan. Either go for the black or the blue. What I have here is the color black. So, bubuksan muna natin. Makita natin kanyang SIM ejector pin na mukhang katol. Quick start guide and warranty card. Jelly case na, medyo makapal. And yung likod niya, matigas. And a free screen guard. E kita natin everything na nakaprint kanina sa tabi ng box is also here. I-check natin. Yan. So, this is the color black. But before that, tingnan natin the other things. So, we have here is the 22.5 watts na quick charger. Type-C cable. Audio adapter. May free headphones pa siya. So, pag-usapan natin ang kanyang design. So, sa likod, kita natin, it starts off with the triple camera setup na 50MP. Then, sa ilalim, we have our loudspeaker, microphone in, Type-C port, of course, ang kanyang SIM tray. Now, using my favorite katol to eject. So, mga warning siya, no? So, on one side, it's a nano SIM, and on the other side, hybrid siya. Either go for a micro SD or another nano SIM. On the side, you have your volume rocker. On top, noise cancelling mic. On the other side, kanya power button / fingerprint scanner. And what's nice dito is that punch hole ng kanyang front-facing camera. So mapapansin natin sa kanya, ang mga bezel niya is not really that thin. And yung kanyang chin is not really that thin as well. Pag-usapan natin ang kanyang processor dito sa phone na ito. And this one is packed with a Unisoc na T618. A little bit better than the T616 na meron di V40. But basically, both of them are octa-core that can run up to 2.0 GHz. Now, configuration nitong phone na ito is 6128 and ang price nito is currently pegged at 10,999. You can buy this from Shandy Philippines or other legit online stores that I'll be posting on the description box below. Swiping left and right, definitely it's smooth. Wala namang naging problema dito sa phone na ito. And this one was able to achieve a 258,000 points sa Antutu benchmark. And pag breakdown natin, this is the score that you'll be seeing. And checking wildlife sa 3D Mark, this is the score. Now, checking the score on Geekbench, this is what I got. Now, itong phone na ito has a 6.67-inch na AMOLED display. It has a screen-to-body ratio of at around 87%. And it has a pixel density at 395 ppi. What I can say is yung kanyang display is pretty nice. And I've been watching quite some videos dito sa phone na ito and watching videos on YouTube, on Netflix. I can say pretty decent and very much watchable naman siya dahil ang kanyang color is quite punchy naman. And of course, the black is blacker dahil sa AMOLED display. Now, probably one thing na napansin ko sa kanya is hindi ganun kalakasan ng kanyang loudspeaker dahil there's only one single firing loudspeaker dito sa ilalim. So, you might have to use your favorite headphones na wired dahil meron naman siyang adapter, or you can use your favorite TWS together with this one. One of my favorite things to do definitely is browsing on social media. So, using it on Facebook, on Twitter, on TikTok, like this one is okay naman. Smooth naman ang kanyang browsing dahil very much capable naman itong phone na ito pagdating naman sa social media. Pagdating naman sa gaming performance dito sa phone na ito, I did play Call of Duty Mobile. Pagdating naman sa all high settings, I can say medyo hirap tong phone na ito. So, mapapansin ko that there are quite some frame drops. So, binabaan ko a little bit sa medium settings. So, it was able to give me a good gaming experience. Though, of course, I would prefer na higher graphical settings. But if you want to play it a little bit more smoothly, I would suggest na use a more medium graphical settings dito sa phone na ito just to get to the game. Napag-usapan naman natin ang kanyang camera dito sa likod. It has a 50MP na aperture 1.8 na main sensor. Then of course, there's the 5MP na macro lens which is a bump up from the V40. Then a 2MP na depth sensor. Then this one can shoot up to 1080p and 30fps. Then ang kanyang front-facing camera na 8MP can shoot up to 1080p and 30fps with a aperture of 2.0. Now, taking some outdoor shots, I was able to take in some really decent shots dito sa phone na ito. And yeah, I can say the colors are not so bad. But of course, ang pagdating sa focusing, medyo hirap lang siya konti. Pagdating naman sa kanyang indoor shot, it was able to take in also some nice shot. But there are some shot na medyo dumidilim dahil medyo hirap nga lang siya pagdating sa low light. Now, taking some photos outdoor using the front-facing camera, I can say medyo namumuti ako ng konti. I'm not quite sure why, but these are the shots that I've got. And of course, you see indoors are quite decent naman ang mga shots na using the front-facing camera. And I did try to use this phone to vlog using the front-facing camera. Here's some samples. This is what you'll be getting if you're vlogging using the ZTE Blade V41 Vita 5G. And of course, recording at 1080p at 30 fps. This is the resolution you'll be seeing, be it for vlogging, for online conferencing, or just simply using it for chat. And by the way, this sound is recorded using the phone microphone. What can you say? Now guys, itong phone na ito, si ZTE Blade V40S has improved a bit over the V40. Hindi naman siya sobrang dramatic ang kanyang increase, but ang price has received a 3,000 price bump from 7,999. Ito naging 10,999. Pero yung kanyang changes is basically the screen and yung camera improvement and of course yung kanyang processor. But the others are almost the same. Now, if you feel like having a AMOLED display, okay naman ito, si Blade V40S. But if okay ka na sa IPS LCD and hindi ka naman masyadong meticuloso sa processor, I'll say that you can also stick with the V40 para makatipid ka na 3,000 pesos. Now guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon para hindi naman miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.